A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us here. This is the first step in a long road towards World Cup qualification, Qatar 2022. They have given themselves lots of scoring opportunities. And the ball once again finds Zimbabwe. Here they are looking to try and find the back of the net. Oh, what a wonderful save that was from Ahmed. And he comes to the rescue. Excellent play there. And they launch a quick counter-attack. Lunga's coming back to defend, and it really just depends. Oh, this is great play. Oh, he's still got the ball. Somalia with a shot. It's a follow-up as well. Brilliant save coming from Chipazeze. Two wonderful saves. Running out of their own half. Looking dangerous, Somalia. There's a good ball to be passed there. That's a fantastic pass. Now is an opportunity. Somalia. Oh, he unselfishly gets the ball across. That's a great shot, but it's not on target. There's the delivery at the far post. There's no one there. It's headed away by a Zimbabwean player. Oh, they've stolen it. This is dangerous. Zimbabwe pushing forward. It's 3 against 1. There's a bit of a block going on. There's the shot. Oh, he saved it. Ahmed comes to the rescue. But it's not over yet. But the players are coming back in numbers. The cavalry has arrived. And now the ball's been toe poked back to the goalkeeper, Ahmed. Covering a larger area just around him. And at the other end, Somalia with the cross here. There's the header. Oh, I don't believe it. Somalia have found the back of the net. That is quite incredible. But the ball's come out of the net, but they found the back of the net, and it all happened so quickly. There it is. What a remarkable victory. Somalia have produced an incredible win here against Zimbabwe.